it's been almost 10 months since Avail has launched, right? Since Avail has got out of Polygon and like been shipping throughout. How does the report look like so far? What all things have you guys achieved?
I think one of the biggest things that we were doing till now is, of course, building, but at the same time creating this organizational muscle. Because when you come out of a company like Polygon, you have to now build your own marketing team and your
Right,
own, because those functions were already existing within Polygon. So
right,
we were heavily building the organizational muscle till
right.
now, and I think that has been quite achieved.
Mm-hmm.
And code wise also, like we are running our incentivized testnet. We are
Right,
going to launch our mainnet very very soon, and that's why you can just check out our incentivized testnet, the grants program. You can contribute to the code, read our code, contribute to the testnet and such, um, and you can see it for yourself what the experience looks like. I think we have been trying to build everything in the open,
mm-hmm.
to make sure that we not only make a good deal here, but also contribute to the community. Like for example, we are the one of the first and the only fully ZK proven bridge that exists from a Polkadot SDK code base to Ethereum, and vice versa. So we are not only looking at how we only can make sure that we launch a good DLA, but
Right.
also creating this entire ecosystem around it so that other people from other communities can also benefit.
Right. You mentioned that your incentivized testnet has been up and running, clash of nodes,
Yeah.
right? And the campaign has been going pretty solid so far. Recently, I think there was a feature that you guys partnered with Spheron where anyone could run it via Telegram bot, which is with a very like seamless UI, right? How many nodes do you guys have currently? And I think it was October when you guys released that you have 950 plus nodes, right? How is that going?
I think, like in terms of full nodes, we have around 1500 plus right now. In terms of full nodes, in terms of validators, because we are able to support a lot of these validator nodes,
right?
Unlike many other networks, because of like the unique Grandpa Babe consensus that we run, and we borrowed it from Polkadot SDK.
Mm-hmm.
We have around 300 validator nodes running. We want to push it up to 350, but not above that. And these are tier 1 and tier 2 validators only. We have limited the involvement of community validators because we want to really stress test the network. We want to make sure that it has a very high uptime, irrespective of the amount of load, the millions of transactions, the GBs of data that are being hammered onto us. But we want to still offer a very good service to all the partners that have already integrated with our incentivized testnet, and that's why we are trying to make sure that our validator set is robust, our infra is robust. We have RPC providers helping us. We have people with computing and node orchestration helping us, like Spheron, on finality, and so on. So we have a good set of partners who have been supporting us, and that's why we have been able to run this campaign so seamlessly.
Right. Why should an average builder run Avail nodes? What's the incentive for that person? And I think there was some campaign on Twitter where you guys mentioned that you get to earn points as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, what is that?
So I think right now it's only about getting the points and being able to show off.
Right.
Whether that will amount to anything else, that we'll see. But
when token.
I think once we launch the mainnet, we will have a token. We will be able to share more details about how any of that translates. But right now it's about it's more about them helping us rather than we able to give them points, right? Because the point system right now is extremely simple. You come, you host something, but we are really asking people not to host full nodes just for the sake.